Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a PayPal account, and then once you open up, make sure to log in or sign up. Now, the first thing we need to do before we can transfer money is link your bank account to your PayPal account. So from here, what we need to do is click onto Wallet, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then as it says here, bank account and cards. I don't have any bank accounts linked here, so I want to go ahead and click on add new and add to wallet. So banks transfer funds you receive to your bank account, use it to make payments to, keep your card information secure while shopping. So when you go ahead and click on banks and give it a few moments to load, and then you need to choose account type, transactions or savings, and then put in your bank name, BSB account number, and then click agree and link. Once you've done that, head back to home. And now once you linked your bank details or your bank card, go ahead and click onto your PayPal balance. Then you'll come to this page. And then there's going to be a new button here called transfer. And then you want to go ahead and click on that transfer button. And then it'll say transfer money. And you have two options. That will say transfer to bank or transfer internationally. Go ahead and click on transfer to bank. Then you'll be taken to a new page to say how much money you'd like to transfer. It will be here. Then you'll have a couple of different options how you want to transfer it. It's going to say like in minutes or in a couple of days. And then below that, it's going to say your bank account. And then from there, just say transfer to bank or transfer now.